Yeah, as you know, in Edinburgh. So welcome to my channel, the Toad Trekker. Remember to like and subscribe. We've got that fantastic sound on the bagpipe being played in Edinburgh for 2 to 3 days. We're going to do that, it's called like the underground tour, where it shows you what occurred underground. I believe where they used to hang people and torture them, etc, etc. Quite interesting. But anyhow, first day in Edinburgh, we've got the mega bus from London, about 7 hours on the coach. It was pretty cool and a lot quicker than what we thought. So it's a little bit nippy today in Edinburgh, but that's Scotland for you. And first impression, pretty cool. But check out what's going on in the distance there. Some sort of parade is occurring. Not sure what. Quite interesting, so let's have a butcher. So the Scottish, they have quite a lot of traditions. I don't know all of them, but it's quite interesting and lovely sound on the bagpipe. So if you're ever thinking of checking out Edinburgh, I would highly recommend it. Anyway, it's early days. We've still got a lot more things to check out, restaurants to go, other interesting places to chill. So keep tuned. And always remember, never give up, never surrender. Peace and love to you all. And I'll see you in the next video.